हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम सचिन है एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय हांगकांग सीरीज़। हांगकांग जो देश जाना जाता है अपनी ऊंची बिल्डिंगों के लिए और लग्जरी शॉपिंग, उसके अलावा वो फेमस है अपने कल्चर और हिस्ट्री के लिए। तो वीडियो पूरा देखिएगा इसको समझने के लिए। तो आज हम देखेंगे मैनमो टेम्पल में प्रेयर, लग्जरी शॉपिंग एरिया, टाइम स्क्वायर, वैन चाय मार्केट, मेरी पहली ट्रैम्प राइड जो साउथ ईस्ट एशियन कंट्री में सिर्फ हांगकांग में ही होती है, और मेरी सबसे फास्टेस्ट एलिवेटर की एक्सपीरियंस, और सबसे आखिरी में ब्रीथ टेकिंग व्यू। सो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल विच विल मोटिवेट मी टू मेक गुड मोर इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियोज़। So it's a new day for us after amazing Macau trip. For 5 people, room is very small than I expected, but this is common in Hong Kong. That's why Hong Kong is very expensive city. अब ये दिन की शुरुआत बारिश से हो गई। चलो हांगकांग की बारिश भी देख ली। वैसे कल रात को मैंने एक आंटी की शॉप देखी थी यहाँ पे, which was just 4 shop away from my hostel. So let's have a breakfast here. Which one you have to take?
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ಐಟಮ್ ಅದ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡು.
Okay. Hong Kong located doesn't know English, तो बस जैसे तैसे हम समझा रहे हैं।
हाँ
No.
spinach
Yeah. No.
no.
Okay.
yes.
So for day 3, I plan to go Hong Kong Disney Island, but I have to drop it because of heavy rain. It's my bad luck. So now today's plan is to roam the southern part of the Hong Kong, which is Hong Kong Island. So first I will go to famous Manmo Temple. For this I have to go Central Station, and from there I need to catch another metro to Sheung Wan. Now we are going to Central Metro Station. As I have Octopus card, so token ticket is not required. This card is very useful to travel via metro, bus, trams, etc. You can recharge money on it from any stores like 7-Eleven. अभी हमें सेंट्रल जाना है। सेंट्रल
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step.
I have pretty good experience to travel in Delhi metro, so it's not making me confused.
From town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight.
So we just get down at TST station to see phone prices at famous I Square Mall. और यहाँ पे फ़ोन्स के प्राइजेस ऑलमोस्ट 30% कम हैं इंडिया से। हांगकांग में इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आइटम के प्राइजेस काफ़ी सस्ते हैं। Where is the iPhone 10? This is iPhone 10, right?
iPhone XS
iPhone
Max.
How much it is?
9,499.
Okay. So we have to multiply by 9.2 as per Indian currency.
ಎಷ್ಟು
तो फिर आई स्क्वायर मॉल में फ़ोन के प्राइस चेक करके अब हम जा रहे हैं मेट्रो स्टेशन। आई नीड टू गेट डाउन एट शेंगवान मेट्रो स्टेशन टू रीच मैनमो टेम्पल।
Ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight.
So now we are going to मैनमो टेम्पल। मैनमो टेम्पल शेंगवा मेट्रो स्टेशन से ओनली 500 मीटर दूर है और वहाँ पे जाके टेम्पल देखते हैं कैसा है और उसके बाद हम जाएंगे रोशन बे।
Sky. We are heroes too.
नेम ऑफ द स्ट्रीट इज हॉलीवुड और इन सीढ़ियों को पार करके ही मैनमो टेम्पल आएगा। इट्स ट्रूली अ मैजिकल साइट एंड बिहाइंड यू कैन सी बिग बिल्डिंग्स। It's the entrance to the temple from Hollywood Road. It opens at 8 a.m. and closes at 6 p.m. The popular time to visit is Chinese New Year. जो आप मेरे पीछे पिंक फ्लावरिंग ट्री देख रहे हो, दिस इज़ अ विशिंग ट्री। चाइनीज पीपल यहाँ पे विश मांगते हैं और एक पेपर में अपनी विश लिखकर उसको पेड़ पे लटका देते हैं। मैनमो टेम्पल इज़ वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट एंड लार्जेस्ट विच built in 1847. It's dedicated to the god of literature and the god of war. जिस तरह हम सरस्वती माता को ज्ञान की माता कहकर पूजा करते हैं, उसी तरह चाइनीज लोग मैनमो टेम्पल की पूजा करते हैं। If you need prayer items like joss sticks, incense, paper money, candles, etc., you can purchase from the counter. Many tourists in Hong Kong ensure that they visit this famous temple once during their stay, so they can enjoy viewing the incredible creation inside and outside the temple. Right next to the temple, you will find a lot of galleries and boutiques selling Chinese art. If you want to go for treasure and antique hunting, be sure to pay a visit to Upper Lasker Row and Hollywood Road. अभी हमारा टेम्पल का तो सफ़र हो गया। अब हम टेम्पल के बाद जाएंगे शेंगवान ट्रैम। सो इन हांगकांग आइलैंड में आप ट्रैम पे जा सकते हो और इट विल चार्ज $2.4 आपका स्टार्टिंग होता है शेंगवान से और ख़त्म होगा कॉजवे पे। तो इट ऑलमोस्ट 6 to 7 किलोमीटर है। कहीं भी जाइए फिक्स प्राइस है और यूज़ द ऑक्टोपस कार्ड, दैट इज़ बेस्ट। और फिर उस ट्रैम पे आपको दिखाता हूँ मैं कैसा रहेगा।
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe.
So now I am in Sheungwan station and waiting for the next tram. You can take any tram because each and every tram start from Kennedy Town to Shau King Wah and total 13.3 kilometer distance it covers. Use Octopus card to enjoy tram ride. Just strap to the sensor near driver's seat or you can pay cash too. Hong Kong tram system is one of the earliest form of public transport and it opened in 1904 under British rule. ये ट्रैम का एक्सपीरियंस मेरे लिए काफ़ी नया था, तो मैंने बस विंडो सीट पकड़ी और बस नज़ारों को एंजॉय किया। The Hong Kong people informally call the tram as Ding Ding. The average speed of the tram is 30 km per hour, operate from 5:30 am to 12:30 am. Maximum capacity of each tram is 115 people. If you are liking my videos, then please like and subscribe my channel.
I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are
अभी हमको जाना है शोगो शॉपिंग एरिया विच इज़ वेरी नाइस प्लेस टू रोम.
heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.
Sogo is a famous landmark in the Hong Kong island. It's one of the largest Japanese style department store in Hong Kong since 1985 at Causeway Bay. और फ्रेशनेस के लिए $10 का मैंगो शेक लिया एंड यू कैन एंजॉय लोकल हांगकांग स्ट्रीट फूड टू. दिस इज़ अ मस्ट विजिट प्लेस फॉर एटलीस्ट 20 minutes. The ambience at Sogo complex area is very luxurious. So after enjoying this beautiful place, now we are going to Wan Chai Market.
I've been flying from town to town.
हांगकांग के बिल्डिंग जितने लंबे हैं उनके रोड भी उतने ही छोटे हैं, इसलिए यहाँ लग गया ट्रैफिक जैम. दिस इज़ अ लोकल मिनी बस विच ट्रैवल ओनली इन हांगकांग आइलैंड.
Trying to protect your soul.
दिस इज़ द वन चाय मार्केट.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Wan Chai is located at western part of the Hong Kong island. Since 1850s, under British rule, Wan Chai was the first home to the many Chinese villagers. Most of them were fishermen who work around the area. Wan Chai street market sells a variety of everything from kids' toy to Chinese clothes. Price is not fixed, you just need to bargain before you purchase. It's the first area developed in Hong Kong. There are various landmarks and skyscrapers. Wan Chai is one of the busiest commercial area in Hong Kong with office of many small and medium-sized companies. Compared to Kowloon, where is my hostel located, this Hong Kong island is more energetic, vibrant and more luxurious, and of course, cost of living in this area will be more. Hong Kong also has a Times Square, same like very famous spot Times Square in New York. Times Square has been regarded as one of the most popular shopping center and tourist spot. After enjoying at luxurious Times Square, we are moving towards amazing place Sky 100.
media exhibits into the lives and culture of Hong Kong video. 欢迎光临由新鸿基地产发展的
This is my first experience on this much faster lift because it's a city's fastest double-decker elevator. So just in few seconds we reach to 100th floor. Sky 100 की बुकिंग मैंने क्लुक ऐप के थ्रू करी जो मुझे कॉस्ट पड़ी 1479 इंडियन रुपीज़ and which is very easy to book. It's such a lifetime and stunning view experience to visit Sky 100 and have some snacks and beer at the top of highest building in the Hong Kong. Klook's excellent deals and convenience of using mobile watcher adds to its experience. It's only place to get 360-degree view of Victoria Harbour, Hong Kong Island, Kowloon and New Territories.
Feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it.
It's the best place to enjoy sunset and night view is just awesome.